Discover the latest innovations in woodworking with these 15 new cool tools every smart woodworker needs. From precision gadgets to powerful equipment, these tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and boost creativity in your workshop. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these must-have tools will transform the way you work with wood. Dixter 5012 Wood Edge. The Dixter Pulidora or Hilera 5012 is a professional-grade floor polisher designed specifically for wood surfaces, offering efficiency and precision for polishing and edging tasks. Built with a robust 2000 to 2500 RPM variable speed motor, it allows users to adjust performance according to floor requirements. Its 180mm disc diameter ensures effective coverage, while the external vacuum connection, 32mm and 38mm ports, helps maintain a cleaner, dust-free environment. Operating on 220 volts and weighing just 10 kilograms, this machine is both powerful and portable, making it ideal for contractors and DIY enthusiasts seeking durability and smooth results for wood floor finishing. One Cut Crown Molding Tool. One Cut is the revolutionary crown molding tool that makes precise cutting simple and stress-free. Whether you're tackling concave, convex, or non-standard angles, One Cut helps you measure and cut with confidence. Perfect for crown molding, base molding, frames, and a variety of woodworking projects, it simplifies the process into just 4 easy steps. Crafted with Swedish design and precision, and proudly manufactured in Sweden, this world-patented solution eliminates guesswork and ensures professional quality results every time. Save time, reduce errors, and achieve flawless finishes. One Cut is the must-have tool for professionals and DIYers working with molding and trim. WolfCraft Angular Bevel Gauge. The WolfCraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a must-have tool for precision work with miter saws, designed to measure and transfer wall angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees with ease. Its 2 plastic legs fit perfectly into corners and lock securely with an eccentric lever, even in tight spaces. Strong integrated magnets allow quick alignment with the saw blade, while the automatic angle bisector ensures flawless miter cuts, minimizing errors. The telescopic corner calipers make measuring outside corners simple, and the foldable limit stop allows you to mark angles directly on workpieces. This tool guarantees accurate, efficient, and error-free results for any project. Trex's Universal Fastener. Trex's Universal Fastener installation tool is engineered to simplify deck construction, making the process faster, easier, and more precise. Designed specifically for Trex Hideaway universal fasteners, this innovative tool reduces installation time by up to 50% with its one-step functionality. Its nose cone ensures perfect alignment of fasteners, while the ergonomic handle allows for both pushing and pulling, minimizing fatigue. An integrated bit holder adds convenience, keeping essentials within reach. Built with durable materials for long-lasting performance, the tool delivers professional quality results, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a contractor. With Trex, building your dream deck has never been simpler. Kreg Quick-Flip. The Kreg Quick-Flip is a versatile tool designed to simplify woodworking joinery. With its innovative dual-action bit, you can drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in a single step, then quickly flip the insert to drive in a Kreg screw. This tool works seamlessly with any drill or impact driver, ensuring convenience and efficiency. Kreg screws are known for their strength in pocket hole joinery, but with the Quick-Flip, they become even more versatile for face joining, corners, and other projects. Featuring a quick release housing and double-ended insert, it guarantees precision, speed, and strong, reliable joints every time. Milescraft 8413. PinDoctor, the Milescraft 8413. PinDoctor is a simple yet powerful tool designed to make removing and installing door hinge pins fast, accurate, and hassle-free. With its clear body construction, you can easily see and align the solid steel striking pin with the hinge, ensuring precise operation every time. A gentle tap of the hammer loosens hinge pins effortlessly, while the flat installation surface allows smooth reinsertion without damaging the metal. Built with durability in mind, the integrated solid steel striking pin transfers maximum force for effective results. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, the PinDoctor brings ease and precision to door hinge maintenance. QUUREN Woodworking Compass. The QUUREN Woodworking Compass is a professional-grade marking and circle drawing tool crafted from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring superior strength and corrosion resistance compared to plastic alternatives. Featuring dual-scale metric and inch markings, it provides versatility and accuracy for precise adjustments. Its fixed-point adjustment mechanism guarantees smooth operation and reliable consistency when drawing circles. The adjustable radius makes it suitable for various project sizes, from intricate woodworking to metal processing and leather goods. Compact and portable, it includes a convenient pen storage design. With high precision and durability, the QUUREN Compass is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. AutoAngle Drill Guide. The AutoAngle Drill Guide from Woodpeckers is designed to take the frustration out of drilling angled holes. Traditional methods make it difficult to achieve the correct angle, direction, and entry point, especially on large workpieces or in field applications. This innovative tool combines the precision of the AutoLine Drill Guide with a smart protractor base, making angle setup quick and accurate. Simply lay out a crosshair on your material, and the AutoAngle Drill Guide ensures you can drill precisely through it at any angle from vertical to 40 degrees, delivering consistent professional results with ease and confidence. Rockler Pro Lift Router Lift. The Rockler Pro Lift Router Lift is engineered for woodworkers who demand precision and efficiency. Featuring the innovative Quick Gear system, it allows rapid height adjustments, while a fine adjustment dial provides microcontrol down to thousandths of an inch. The anti-backlash mechanism ensures stable, drift-free cuts, and the tool-free snap-lock insert ring system makes bit changes quick and easy. Built with a 3/8" machined aluminum plate and bronze bushings, it delivers durability and smooth performance. Designed for 4.2-inch router motors with adapter options, it offers above-the-table access, making routing more accurate, efficient, and user-friendly for both professionals and hobbyists. Domino Connectors. Domino Connectors redefine convenience in both workshop and on-site construction by offering a versatile knockdown hardware solution. Designed for use with the Domino XL DF700 joiner, these fasteners allow you to create strong flat or corner joints that can be assembled and disassembled with just a hex wrench. Perfect for large projects, you can build and finish full-size pieces, then transport and reassemble them with ease. No templates or complicated measuring are required, making setup quick and efficient. coloured cover caps ensure a clean, professional look. Each set includes essential components and requires a 14mm cutter for operation. Portacable 20 Volt Max. The Portacable 20 Volt Max oscillating tool is built for convenience, power, and versatility. Featuring a 2-finger tool-free system, accessory changes are quick and effortless. Its variable speed dial ranges from 8,000 to 18,000 OPM, giving you maximum control for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding tasks. An integrated LED work light enhances visibility in low light conditions, while the 3-position overmold grip reduces vibration for improved comfort during extended use. The tool comes with 20 accessories and a storage box, making it a complete solution for various applications. Powered by the 20-volt max system, it delivers cordless, high-performance reliability. Woodpeckers DP Pro Drill Press. Table System. The Woodpeckers DP Pro Drill Press table system redefines what a drill press can do for woodworkers. Unlike traditional designs that cater primarily to metalworking, this system is engineered with woodworking in mind. It installs in minutes on nearly any drill press table without obstructing adjustments and expands to handle larger workpieces with ease. A true game changer, the DP Pro is the first drill press table to integrate dust collection directly at the source, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer. Combining precision, convenience, and versatility, it transforms an ordinary drill press into a highly functional woodworking machine. Kreg PRS1200. The Kreg PRS1200 Premium Home Improvement Tool is designed to help woodworkers create fast, affordable, and professional beaded face frames with ease. Featuring the precision beaded face frame system, this tool makes custom cabinet building more efficient by providing an included router table stop for accurate and repeatable cuts. Simple to set up with your router and router table, it ensures smooth operation every time. The quick adjust clamp adapts to stock thickness effortlessly, while the control arm delivers precise handling. Like all Kreg tools, the PRS1200 bridges the gap between concept and creation, giving woodworkers reliable, high-quality results. DEWALT FLEXVOLT. Reciprocating. Saw DCS 388. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT reciprocating saw DCS 388 delivers corded power with cordless convenience, making it an ideal tool for demanding cutting tasks. It features a keyless lever action blade, clamp for quick, hassle-free blade changes. With 0 to 3000 SPM and a 1 1/8 inch stroke length, it ensures fast and efficient performance. The variable speed trigger gives users precise control, while the LED light illuminates dark work areas for accuracy. A pivoting shoe provides stability and leverage in various applications, and the rubber overmold grip enhances comfort during extended use. Built tough, this reciprocating saw is perfect for professionals who demand versatility and reliability.